Like, she's like really freaking cool.
Hey guys, so today I got a package from Myfirstwig. This is the beautiful box that it came in, and they gave me so many goodies. Let's start off with this. What is? Oh, it's like a wig band, like to hold on the lace, I'm guessing. It's very stretchy. Also a little cute case, and inside it we have some clips. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yeah, they gave you some clips and also a comb. And you know me love them tail comb there. Also this mystery box, and I was wondering what is. But inside it they gave you their personal glue. So they gave you a lace glue. Like, oh my god, look at the packaging. Like, they give you everything to install literally your first wig. Like, you can do it yourself. So this is, they give you a wig cap, 2 wig caps, and also a band for security for your wig. So this here is a 20-inch. Look at the frontal. Oh my god. So this is a HD Swiss lace in the color light brown, and it's also a 13 by 6-inch lace front. Look at that on my skin, like so realistic. Like, what? It's natural hair color. It's silky, 20 inches, and it's true to length. In it you have the clips as usual, and also the band to tighten the wig on you. As I said, 20 inches straight. Oh my god. And it's very silky, full of body. Like, it's not thin, it's thick. Alright, time for down the ear now. Come there, talk proper English. Like I say, me I one week like this. So tie my hair at the back. I'm not going to do a wig here. I send the wig to Beauty Fetish on Instagram as always for customize your wigs. If you want to customize your wigs, Beauty Fetish. The baby hairs are already laid. When I say laid, look there. 3 on the side here, short the next side, and 2 on the side here, because it's a side part, and it's already bleached and everything, and it's fully straightened now. So it's bone straight. I know it's time for just install it, but waiting. I'm never showing you the body. Like, look at this. Look at the bouncy and the silkiness of this wig. Ready to install. So now it's time to put it on. Fling it back. Up, girl, where wait. Oh, look there. I'm shocked because, listen, this lace is giving HD Swiss lace in the color light brown. Because you know I'm a brown girl, so it matches my real scalp. If that makes sense. That makes sense? Yeah, so now it's time to adjust it to my head, and I need to cut it out. But I don't know when they linger, because I can't believe. Look at the ear. Look how thick the ear be. Look on it, and it bouncy. Listen, see that ear? Yeah? No, sir. So it's time now for me to adjust it to my head and see when need for cut. But why am I still up on this ear? Come on, girl, show me something. Oh, like, look at that. Look, that look like it literally come through my scalp. I'm not even cut off the lace yet. So it's to use a razor now. Time to use a razor, because I need to cut off the extra lace. I need to hurry up. So I'm just cutting off the lace, whatever don't fit me. Hey, look at it. Hey. No, Jesus Christ, take off the air fryer, Dicky. Yeah, so it's time to cut the lace. I can't cut it on my head. I can't even cut it in my hand. So 1 minute. Come back and it's cut. So I cut the lace off and I'm adjusting it. My head strapping, using the strap at the back. I mean, I wonder right to say I cut it too short, you know, but no. So it's time to do the baby ears now. So I need to pin back the hair, because I'm going to focus on the baby hair right now. I still need to fix piece of lace where I want to cut off, because it unbug my ears. Drop for the scissors. Get rid of that. Yeah. So it a fit up. I'm here dance because I'm excited. One thing me my wig them Evelyn. I don't know about something about it. So I try to straighten this one about Jaja. Time to get the 𝐷𝐶 glue. And I'm not going to glue down the whole wig, so I'm just going to tap the edges down. So I just need a little bit, because I'm not keep the wig on for long. So I'm just using a bit, because you know the part where your ears there. That the part that I do right now, you know how that is there already. If I cock up. So I'm just use some 𝐷𝐶 glue. Do the other side also. And one thing with it, you know, you never glue down. I don't know how them ear can give me problems, so I really can't do ear for true, you know. Jaja.
What?
But one thing with me still, you know, I go practice my TikTok dance, you know. I'm not gonna get them right. All the time I try, I think God give me that talent this start. I'm the one be one dance in a real life. Anyway. I'm gonna use I'm not bother right. I'm gonna use some 𝐷𝐶𝐵 spray, I'm never bother. I'm gonna see if it can glue down. And you never dare glue down. Fast forward this and hurry up, girl. Okay, you draw back for the glue. It not stick. She deaf. Jesus, she had that earring. You draw back for the glue. The 𝐷𝐶𝐵 spray to do the edges. I don't want to keep it on long, so also one little spritz spray I put just for that area. God, them people want to do this then. Yeah, I not keep it on long. Sometimes I'm not keep on the wig for long, so I'm not going to glue down the baby hairs because them all in a place a bit until I do that video. Yeah, but I don't need to know. I don't need to glue it down.
Hey, let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What?
So here is the finished look. As I said, the top don't even glue down, you know, it's just literally the sides. Look at the silkiness. Look at this lace. HD Swiss lace. It's giving. And it's not even glued down. Like, look, I put my finger on that just for sure. Put it back down by your forehead. Watch out. Watch about the lace. Where is the lace? Look at that. What?
Bye, have a great time.